Hello mga kapatid, so I just want to share with you another cooking series or another recipe. So this time we're making a green pasta. So ano ba yung green pasta? So napaka-easy lang yung gawin guys. It's must be homemade sauce guys. So it's peanut sauce and avocado. So this is the ingredients guys. So, sa mga gusto ng may cheese na madami, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng parmesan cheese. Pero yung ginawa ko, wala po itong cheese. So, just garlic, olive oil, avocado, and coconut milk, lemon, and the baby spinach. So, ito yung kind ng spinach yung gamitin nyo. Pwede din yata yung malaki. Same lang din naman yung lasa. Pero, depende sa inyo. So, yun yung gagawin. And then, you just blend all the ingredients except the pasta. Siyempre, except the pasta. And then, the olive oil. Kasi last nyo yung ilalagay yung olive oil. So, i-blend nyo lang siya, guys. Iplagay nyo yung lahat. And then, just blend it. So, after nyo siyang i-blend nyo siya na maging smoothly siya. And then, after you blend that like a smoothie, yun na kayo mag-a-add ng olive oil. So, after that, you can add some cheese while blending, guys. Kasi sa cheese, yung parmesan cheese, i-blend yun siya. Pero kaya lang, hindi ako gumamit ng cheese dito. Kasi ayaw namin ng cheese. So, after that, you can blend like this. Parang ganito siya. And then, after that, you add your olive oil na. So, pag gano'n na yung, yung sauce nyo, you can add na olive oil. And then, you cook your pasta first. So, I'm using macaroni pasta dito. Pwede din naman na yata yung parang spaghetti. And then, after it cook, you prepare another, you wash the pan and put your sauce. Kasi kailangan, lutuin yung sauce. Kasi raw nga yun siya. So, kapag naluto nyo yun siya, huwag nyo na siyang lagyan ng oil yung pan. Just transfer it into the pan and add salt and pepper for the taste. So, ayan. Lutuin nyo siya ng, I think, 15 minutes. 15 minutes siyang hinalo. Pinakulo, I mean. So, and then, you can add your pasta. So, yun lang. Then, just mix it. And then, you can have your yummy green pasta na. So, that's so easy, guys. This one is easy green pasta recipes. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan itong video. God bless you. And take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.